makes a great chef? Well, training and technique, of course, plus a great love of food, a generous personality, and the ability to invent hot chocolate truffles. Meltingly addictive hot chocolate truffles. Balls of creamy chocolate filling that are rolled in fresh crumbs. Let's have another piece. As long as the dough is relaxed, it's ready to roll. Ready to roll. Let's have another piece. All in a ball. Ready to roll. Ready to roll. Freshness is essential. That makes all the difference. I like to smell something cookies. Makes me feel it. Bring on the roasted potatoes. Bring on the borscht. This is what good cooking is all about. This is what good cooking is all about. Like sour cream cheese filling and the sweet topping, all on that crisp pastry. You can't define these in a recipe. You can only know them. By knowing how the food should taste. The blend of oil, fresh lime juice, pressed ginger, and fish sauce. You need some fat in your diet, or your body can't process your vitamins. Freshness is essential. That makes all the difference. I like to smell something cookies. Makes me feel it. Bring on the roasted potatoes. Bring on the borscht. This is what good cooking is all about. This is what good cooking is all about. Cook and keep on cooking. This is the way to live. Cook and keep on cooking. This is the way to eat. Bon appetit. Real test of a good chef is a perfectly roasted chicken. The lemons, the garlic, the rosemary, butter-free, rosemary, full, rich and creamy, suspended in its sauce. You have to watch it. Don't let it cook too long. Beat it up a little bit, just to soften it. Fast and tough and rough. I'm just gonna show you how you do it. Beat it up a little bit, just to soften it. Chop it, hold it, roll it, chop it, fast and tough and rough. Freshness is essential. That makes all the difference. I like to smell something cookies. Makes me feel it. Bring on the roasted potatoes. Bring on the borscht. This is what good cooking is all about. This is what good cooking is all about. Cook and keep on cooking. This is the way to live. Cook and keep on cooking. Everyone gather around the dinner table. Cook and keep on cooking. This is the way to live. Cook and keep on cooking. This is the way to eat. Bon appetit.